Hello dear students, I am your teacher Ms. Rabia. Once again I welcome you all in virtual learning program. Today we are going to learn new topic, that is backward counting. Before learning backward counting, first we have to learn forward counting. What is forward counting? Let's learn. Here is number 1, number 2, what comes after number 2, number 3, number 4, what comes after number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. What comes after number 7? Number 8, number 9, number 10. In forward counting, we start from 1 to 10. But in backward counting, opposite of it, like 10 to 1. Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7. What comes before 7? 6, 5. What comes before 5? 4, 3, 2, and 1. This is called backward counting, in which we start from 10. So dear friends, I hope you understood this topic. Kindly revise your all previous topic like counting 1 to 20 and shapes name also. I will see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.